This video shows a small code for a WPF application or maybe also for the Universal Windows Platform app. So it's a grid application, and as you see, it's a multiple column and multiple row kit which generates dynamically multiple let's say cells, and inside there you will see in the left corner there you see there's an indicator which row or column is used with where the mouse cursor is. So what does the code do? As you see, in this case I prepared this default grid, and inside the grid, that's the default grid, and you may create that by code at runtime. And in the background, and there's a small label here, and the label is just to show where the actual message is. And what does the code do? It says, okay, for each row in this base grid, so this is the base grid, for each row definition and for each column definition, make a loop, and inside each loop create a panel, and then say to the label at which position the actual stuff is, and then that's the this point is for what you see, those labels. These was col1, row 2, col1, row 3, and all that stuff. That's what you see here. And then it says, okay, for each panel create an event, and if the mouse enters this panel or background, then the panel should react with the event mouse enter and mouse leave. And then give a thickness by 1, make a background. Without background it doesn't work, because the events need a background. That's typically in Universal and WPF. And then there are both events. This is the event for enter and this is for leave. So what it does is it says, okay, create me a new thickness, show me that the border of that panel. It's not really a panel, it's a border in the background, but I labeled it as panel. And then give me this result. So that's what you see here. And I wanted to make here a new desktop arranger. That's what we see here in the background. My desktop arranger should do on the background some panels where I drop all my icons on there.